I absolutely love these hanging organizers.
This is exactly how they compact and exactly what comes with it. So you can see that it is 2 nice sized trays. And it's really cool because it has that little design, that wave all the way around it. And you can see it has these little holes in the bottom. And so if you were gonna use these in a shower or with anything wet, then it would flow right through and be able to dry out, which I thought was a really cool feature. You can see that it has that little slant design on it, and this is where you're going to hang it on a wall. It also comes with these plastic dividers that slide into each other, and this is what is going to create a little bit, there we go, a little bit of extra organization. So you can have the open bucket, or you can put this in here, and it's gonna create little compartments. There you go, like 4 separate quadrants in there for you, so that you can have it even more organized if you had something a little taller and thinner that you wanted to put in there. If you do plan on using the plastic dividers, I want to give you a little bit of a tip. Might be hard to see, but on the inside, there's actually a little plastic divot that you slide this into. So before you make this into 4 separate quadrants, you want to carefully fit this in here, and you line it up exactly in that little slot, and then you are going to push all the way down. Once you have one in, so look, you can see if you just want it in 2 dividers, done. So you have the option to do 1 large cavity, you can do one that is half, or you can do one that is in quarters. So once you have the half, if you want to move it into quarters, you would simply make sure that you have these up, these 2 sides that do move. This side does not move. And then you just simply place it in like that. Keep it inside of those little grooves that they have in here already, and you are good to go.
This is what my sink looks like before. I just have kids' toothbrushes everywhere, and it's not very organized, and I want to be able to quickly grab them. And so it was so simple to just peel the stick off and figure out exactly where I'd like to place it, and simply put the dividers on top. It is so easy, and they give you extra stickies in case you want to kind of move this around to different places. I thought it was so easy to be able to use and to be able to pack this with so many things. I actually got a second one and put it in my bathroom so that I could put my makeup in there and just keep everything off of the countertop. I love being able to stay organized, and these just help me do that and keep it nice and clean. You can also pick it up and take it with you if you need to.